whole idea for the assignment came out of a lunch. And so from that we thought, well look, we've got this chemistry assignment coming up, it might be an opportunity to do something a little bit different, a little bit edgy. Can we not sort of look at Web 2.0 tools and see what we can do in the school environment, given we're actually looking at virtual learning environment.
My name's Joe. I did a wiki and I thought it was a pretty good tool because we got to use it and you could post up information that you had.
The work that these boys did in this project, we really did throw them in the deep end a little bit, but the great thing was the energy that they brought to the work.
Yeah, hi, I'm Dominic. My group with Sean, me and Sean did a wiki. None of us are sort of really computer based like some of the other groups like Oka and Frenchie. Yeah, so doing a wiki was a bit of a challenge, something new. We sort of struggled a bit, but then once we got going, it was alright, so yeah, it was all good.
I was really surprised by the value that the students got out of doing the activity. I was really a bit hesitant myself. It's something that I'm not experienced in using, and I really want to incorporate more of that in my classroom. And so the boys were hesitant as well about how to go about doing it, but they really sort of, as time went on, they could see the value of it.
It was great because what happened was I think every group rose to the challenge and we had a range of outcomes from very traditional PowerPoints through to people that actually gave a presentation and had used their wiki as their aid. And of course we've had the group, the Shire Boy video production crew.
Are we able to fully extract the zinc metal to be on its own? Using a lead anode and an aluminium cathode, we electrolyze the solution.
I think it's great that there's that option for students to explore a different path, do a multimedia presentation. I found it more effective when I was presenting towards the class. As people were more engaged and more interested through a video, more entertaining, and I think people gained a better understanding of what we researched.
I was in the group that did the video, and I think it was good that we did a video because it was both entertaining and informational, like compared to like just a report or something that just gives plain information, but when you do a video it just makes it that much more entertaining.
Here we have the technology, say 200 years ago.
So why does zinc need to be recycled? Well, for starters, it's a non-renewable resource. What this means is it cannot be replenished at a rate at which we can use it.
There was more collaboration going on and more thinking about what everyone's contributing to the overall product, and they really did value from the activity and learn something that I think they can transfer into their other subjects and also into their chemistry. And if we can get them involved with other schools and things like that and seeing what's available there, it's really going to broaden their experience of chemistry.
And so it was meant to be a journey, it was meant to be an experiment, and I think for a lot of people it was. So it was just nice to see what had happened as we went along that journey. And a lot of people right at the start just had no idea.
No, that's right. And I wrote that blog post about throwing the boys in the deep end, which is what we did, because we weren't trying to say you must do this and you must do that. We were trying to open it up as an opportunity to do things a little bit differently.